Good evening, my people. Good greetings. Good morning, depending on wherever you're watching me from. My good names are Maclean Luvanda Shona from Kenya, East Africa. Guys, I promised to make yellow ugali and jute mallow and fermented milk. So let's make ugali. Sorry, I started my video in the middle. Here is my ugali. I am cooking my ugali. My ugali is ready, almost ready. My ugali is almost ready. Actually, it's ready. So, I want to remove a couple. So guys, my ugali is ready. My ugali is ready. My yellow ugali is ready. It's very ready. Wow, it's very yummy, very tasty. I tell you guys, no jokes. That's my yellow ugali. Very ready. Time for me to remove from the jiko or cooker. Here is my ugali. Here is my ugali, very ready. Hello, hello. Yummy ugali. So, with my knife. Chungo stomeke. And here is my vegetable. So here is my vegetable. I want to show you how it looks like. Here is my vegetable. It's called apple or jute mallow. It's called jute mallow. Murenda, I don't know. Jute mallow, something like that. It's very ready. Time for me to serve. Time for me to serve my jute mallow. Ama inaitwa aje jameni? Simniambie. Kindly let me know in the comment section what is the name of this vegetable. It's very yummy. Lavina uniambia kama imetosha, sitaki kuwekea mboga alafu nirudishie. Ni nini mbaya? Uko na shida gani? Haya, enda. So, this is mine. Very yummy. And this is for my mubabas. How many of you doesn't know who is mubaba? Mubaba ni bwana. Husband in short. This is for my husband. Yes guys, let's go and do milk. Here is my ugali, yellow ugali. My baby is cutting ugali. And here I have milk. Mala, it's called mala or fermented milk. And then my glasses here, vegetable. I'm ready to dive to the video. Here is my milk. Now I want to put in the glass. Lavina niambie kama imetosha. So here is the milk. Yes, that's all. Okay, stop. So guys, let me enjoy my meal. I have my ugali, my vegetable and fermented milk. Yes, let me enjoy.
Maziwa utakunywa kesho kutoka shule.